So guys, check out this Gravenstein apple tree over here. Ooh, this thing is loaded with some good ripe apples on here. This is that Gravenstein apple. I think it's been in the ground for about like 5 years now. And this one, I've been looking at this one, and I think it's ripe. Yep, it fell right off. Let's get this out of its bag. And this pouch is just to protect it from pests and stuff. Look at that. Oh, a little something happened in there. I don't know what that is, but pretty good apple. Take this one too. Yep, came right off. Get a tape. It's juicy. Gravenstein apple. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll keep y'all posted.